Okay, video number 3. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this tool, but this tool is used to tighten supply lines. This is what I was hoping the issue would be at the bathroom sink. Quick fix, tighten up the supply line and be done with it. But as you'll see here, the supply line is completely tightened. Full torque. I'm going to turn on the cold water again. And as you see, we still have a leak. Get you a better view of that. Which means that the faucet itself is compromised, cracked. Usually this happens in a situation where there was a freeze up. This faucet likely was frozen and cracked prior to the winterization. But you'll see the leak coming through, and it'll leak even if we turn the water off. Water's off, and it will continue to leak. The reason why it will continue to leak is because the water from the supply line is on. Turn it off. I'll turn it off at the supply line here. And the leak will stop. Faucet needs to be replaced. It's cracked. The toilet, played around with it some more. And the more we played around with it, the more I played around with it, it's very evident that this tank did not come with this toilet. The spacing between those two bolts you see there is not proper. They're cocked. Only one of them will sit, and if only one sits properly, the other one will continue to have a leak every time this toilet fills up. Again, I'm going to try and see if some kind of way I can find the proper tank to this toilet bowl, but unfortunately, I think that's highly unlikely. We're probably looking at having to replace this toilet completely, unfortunately. Kitchen sink, no issues as far as leaks. Shower. I'm sorry. Shower. No issues as far as leaks. Huge spider. Jesus Christ. He hates me right now. But it'll be okay. Kitchen sink. Let's go to that. Kitchen sink on. And nice and dry. No leaks.